Are you tired of that nagging shoulder pain that follows you at work, to the gym, or with everyday tasks? What if I told you all you needed was 5 minutes to start getting relief? In this video, I'm going to show you 4 quick and effective exercises to make the shoulders feel like butter and pain-free. Check it out. I'm Dr. Joey Seyforth, owner of Comeback Performance, where we've helped over 1,000 people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain through our one-on-one online coaching program. Whether you're dealing with impingement, rotator cuff tears, or shoulder arthritis, the right exercises can make all the difference for your recovery. And guess what? You don't need hours every single day to make your shoulders feel better. These 4 targeted exercises are going to decrease your shoulder pain and improve how they're moving functionally. People with shoulder pain are often only given exercises to address the shoulders. Let's talk about why this is keeping you from getting long-term results with that shoulder pain.
So we have our shoulder blade right here, and we have our shoulder. If our shoulder blade's not upwardly rotating enough, this is what happens. As we rotate, that ball is getting compressed between the shoulder and shoulder blade right there. That's where we're getting that impingement. The impingement can be on different tissues. It could be on bursa. If we look at this side, if we actually get the shoulder blade to upwardly rotate the entire way to that 60 degrees right there, we can lift our arm all the way up. We no longer have that impingement. We can also reach across our body and reach back, and that's going to significantly offload the shoulder and make it feel a lot better. Another big area that has to be addressed is the thoracic spine. The thoracic spine starts below the neck and goes all the way down like that. If we're not having the proper extension in it, if we're flexed like this, we can only raise our shoulders up so much. If we can get that extension all the way there, we're able to lift our shoulder into all those positions more freely and smoother.
Let's get into these exercises. The first one up is a wall slide. This is hands down our client's favorite exercise, and you're gonna find out why. You're gonna head over to the wall, placing one foot in front of the other. While there, place your hands on the wall, making sure your forearms are off the wall. Next, you're gonna slide your arms up, leaning your chest forward at the top. You should feel your shoulder blades moving up and around while we are doing this. Complete 2 sets of 10 of this exercise. Unfortunately, the shoulder blade is often missed in traditional physical therapy as providers are only focused on the shoulder itself. Teaching that shoulder blade to upwardly rotate can be an absolute game changer in improving your shoulder pain. I know you're struggling with shoulder pain and you obviously want to fix it, so text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 and I'll send you my free shoulder pain fix demo. Now back to the show. The next exercise is designed to help loosen up the upper back and the shoulders at the same time with a wall open book. You're gonna head over to the wall and into a half kneel position, making sure that your hip is connected to the wall. From there, you're gonna keep your shoulders together and you're gonna open up away from the wall, following your eyes with your hands as you rotate. The goal is to get your opposite hand away to the other side of the wall. Move through whatever range of motion that you can, making sure that you're not pushing into pain. Once you get to that end range position, you're simply going to return to that start. Complete 2 sets of 8 to 10 reps on each side, taking note if one side is able to rotate better than the other side. The goal is to be able to touch both sides of the wall pain-free. The next exercise is going to target lat mobility and thoracic spine extension and is called a bench opener. For this exercise, you're going to grab a broomstick or a dowel for it. You're going to head over to a bench or a chair. While kneeling, you're going to place your elbows on the bench with your palms facing up, holding the dowel. From there, rock your hips back towards your feet and drop your chest, feeling the stretch in the lats and also your upper back. Hold 2 to 3 seconds at that bottom position and then rock back out of it, completing 2 sets of 10 of this exercise, making sure that you take a nice breath in and out at that bottom position. This is one of my favorites for freeing up the upper back in seconds. The last exercise is called banded cheerleaders. It's going to address a couple different areas for us. It's going to help strengthen the shoulders and also provide blood flow for healing. You're going to grab a band for this exercise, moving in 3 different directions. The first one, you're going to have your palms up and pulling the band apart with your elbows straight. After moving into that extension, you're gonna move to that starting position. Now you're gonna move into a diagonal pattern with one arm going up and the other arm going down. Next, you're going to return to that original position and then do the opposite diagonal pattern. All 3 directions is equal to 1 rep. Complete 2 sets of 5, holding 2 to 3 seconds and making sure that you're getting that engagement in the back of the shoulders. By engaging these stabilizers, you're going to offload the shoulders and make them feel better. This routine can be done in less than 5 minutes and can be done anywhere. The goals of these exercises are to unlock the shoulders and improve strengthening, with the wall slides to improve shoulder and shoulder blade mobility, wall open books to unlock the upper back and rotation, bench openers to reduce that tension in the shoulders, and banded cheerleaders to provide strength to the shoulders. Remember this, consistency is key. Doing this every day can make the shoulders start to feel a lot better. It is important to note, most shoulder injuries and pain are movement problems, meaning they also need a movement solution. Getting a proper movement assessments of the shoulders are key to helping diagnose where your specific issues lie, and these assessments need to screen other areas, such as the neck, thoracic spine, median nerve, and shoulder blade itself. If you're tired of this shoulder pain and you tried massage, acupuncture, basic physical therapy, and you're still having that shoulder pain, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.